Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up to your GoDaddy website. Pop-ups are incredibly effective for capturing visitor attention, whether you're collecting email addresses, announcing special offers, or sharing important updates with your audience. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to GoDaddy.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to enter your login credentials to access your account. After signing in, you'll land on your GoDaddy dashboard, which serves as your control center for all website management tasks. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Website and click on it to proceed. Your website settings page will now open up. This is where you manage all the core aspects of your site. On the right side of the screen, locate the Edit Website button and click on it. This action will launch your GoDaddy website editor, giving you full access to modify and customize your site's content and layout. Now that you're in the editor, it's time to prepare a space for your pop-up. Navigate to the section of your website where you want the pop-up functionality to appear. Click on the Add Section button, which is marked with a plus sign. This will trigger a right side panel to appear, serving as your element menu. Within this panel, look for the option labeled Files and Web, then click on it. You'll be presented with 3 different options. From these, select HTML and add it to your website. This HTML code editor is what we'll use to embed the pop-up widget. With the HTML editor now ready and waiting on your GoDaddy site, open a new browser tab. In the address bar, type elfsite.com and press enter. If you haven't logged into your Elfsite account yet, go ahead and do so now. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen where you'll find the Widgets option. Click on it and then select See All Widgets. This will take you to Elfsite's comprehensive widget catalog page. Here, locate the search bar at the top and type in Pop-up, then click on the pop-up result that appears. You'll now be on the pop-up widget overview page, which provides details about the functionality and features. Click on the button that says Create Widget for free. On the next screen, you'll see a curated list of pop-up templates designed for various purposes. Browse through these options and select the template that best matches your needs and website style. Once you've made your selection, click on Continue with this template. This will open the pop-up editor where you have full creative control. Take your time here to customize the different elements, including images, headings, text content, and spacing. Adjust these blocks until your pop-up looks exactly how you want it to appear to your visitors. When you're satisfied with your design, click on Add to Website for free. Now, on the top right part of your screen, click the Close button. This will redirect you back to your Elfsite dashboard where all your created widgets are stored. Locate the pop-up widget you just created from the list. Next to it, you'll see a 3-dot icon. Click on it to reveal additional options. From the menu that appears, select Embed Code and then click on Copy Code. This copies the widget's embed code to your clipboard, ready to be placed on your GoDaddy site. Head back to your GoDaddy website editor tab. Remember that HTML code editor we added earlier. Click on it to open the custom code field. Paste the embed code you just copied from Elfsite directly into this field. After pasting, click Done to finalize the integration. And there you have it. Your GoDaddy website now has a fully functional pop-up that will engage your visitors and help you achieve your marketing goals. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.